Now, let's make sure you're not confused about something. We're not talking about the beginning of the internet itself. Most people use the words internet and web as if they're the same thing. But, in fact, the internet is much older than the web, and they're two different things. Today, 30 years later, that idea is still exciting. The web is just part of the internet, but it is the part that connects us to the rest of the world. The telephone meant that one person could connect with one other person. Television meant that one person's ideas could reach millions of people in their homes. North America and Europe make up only 15% of the world's population, but together they make up 25% of the world's internet users. Compare this with Africa, which makes up 17% of the world's population, but only 36% of its people have internet access. The digital divide isn't only geographical. If we compare men's and women's access to the internet, World Wide Web Foundation research shows that women are less likely to use the internet in many poor urban communities. 37% of women versus 59% of men surveyed were internet users. Indigenous people are the first people to live in a particular place, the original population that first created a community on that land before other people came to live in, conquer or colonize the area. People self-identify as indigenous. That means they decide for themselves whether they consider themselves to be indigenous. There are more than 350 million indigenous people living in 90 countries. They represent 5,000 different cultures and speak the great majority of the thousands of languages that are spoken around the world today. Indigenous communities often have distinct beliefs, culture and customs. Making sure indigenous peoples have legal rights over their land and resources is a matter of human rights. It also brings environmental benefits to the planet. Deforestation rates in Bolivia, Brazil and Colombia were 2 to 3 times lower in forests officially belonging to indigenous communities.
Like, share and subscribe the channel for upcoming videos and also press the bell icon for notifications.